Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's a Sunday today. I'm not able to go to work, but I wanted to come make a video for you all, guys. Let's have some real talk, guys. Let's talk some real money today. It's Hamza with Trading Secrets. You've been watching the channel. I've been trading for the last 20 years, stocks, crypto, real estate, merchandise. I've done it all right here on this channel. I'm sharing my journey with you all, and I'm trying to help you guys create generational wealth. Guys, let's talk, guys. Let's talk money. Let's have a serious talk. This is a candid conversation I want to have with you guys. It's not at the office. I got thinking, what's stopping us, or what's stopping you all from getting through that barrier. Guys, there's a barrier, right? You're at the bottom. Either you're at the bottom or you're at the top. People at the bottom, they have all the sympathies. People at the top, they have all the resources. But if you're stuck in the middle, guys, you got to break that barrier. You don't want to be stuck. I've seen people stuck in the middle or close to the middle all their lives, and either they've not done anything to change it, or they're not able to do it, guys. So what exactly do you guys need to do? The first thing you need to change is your mentality, guys. You need to have a winning mentality. You guys got to go out there. You guys got to hustle, guys. It's very important, right? You don't want to live your life where you're just stuck, and you want to help everybody. You want to help yourself. You want to help your family. You want to grow, but you're not able to. Why? Because it's the mentality, guys. That's what I've been trying to preach on this channel, guys. You gotta be real to yourself, guys. You gotta be real to yourself. There's no shortcuts. There is no shortcuts to success. There's no easy money. But guys, if you are committed, you can change your life, and you can change it for the better. And it's not just you, your family. And guys, I can assure you, it can be faster than you think. If you are working the right way, it can be faster than you think, guys. I've made money. I want to help you guys make money. I already talked about the free consult that you guys can book with me. People are printing money, guys. Especially if you're in the US, people are printing money in Dubai with property, with real estate, with as little as 10, 20, 30, 40, $50,000. They're building a portfolio in a couple years, 2, 3, 4 years. They're compounding it. They're having ROIs, which are 15 to 20%, up to 15 to 20%. Crazy ROIs, but they don't have guidance. They just don't have guidance. They don't know what to do. You're in stocks, crypto, maybe you're running into money. Even if you don't have the money, guys, it's okay. It's okay. When you run into money, you should have a plan. Book that consult, talk to me, so we can talk real money. We can talk how to get you guys financially independent, right? You don't want to be stuck in the middle or close to the middle all your lives, guys. That's not what you want to do. Be real to yourself, guys. Work hard. Don't waste your time. Time is the most expensive commodity, guys, that we all have. So we got to think how we're investing it, right? We don't have unlimited time, right? So I'm gonna tell you guys. I already share a lot of secrets with trading that you guys are doing. But then what if you're making money? Then you're making money. How are you going to preserve it? How are you going to grow it? How are you going to grow it in a way where you're going to create and preserve generational wealth for yourself and your kids and your family, your generations to come? So guys, this is what I wanted to talk to you about today. I made a promise to myself that when I make a channel, I was too busy to do it, guys. I was too busy. But right now, I'm trying to make time. I want to help. I want to give back right now. And I want to talk to you guys. Anyone on my YouTube channel who's going to book a consult, just let me know, or just type in there, you're coming from YouTube, how you listen about me, just type in there YouTube. So the consult is free and there's no strings attached, guys. I just want to prepare you guys for if you have the money, I want to help you guys grow it, right? You don't want to just go to any person and then they're just going to tell you invest in some meme stock or whatever. Guys, real estate has made the most millionaires in the whole world, right? Believe it or not. You ask the rich, the entrepreneurs who made it, you ask them, hey, if you have the last 100,000 or 200,000 or 300,000 or 500,000 left, what are you going to do? They'll tell you, we'll just invest in real estate, right? And then from there, you make money, guys. That's how you build a portfolio, right? You cannot just have a high risk portfolio. You need to diversify it. Real estate is like the safest, and it grows the fastest because it's like, you're not putting up all the money up front, but then the ROIs get insane, right? I've helped people where they've invested you know, they've invested, for example, $100,000, right? And then every 6 months they're paying another $10, $20, $30,000. But then by the time, you know, they're getting the property, you know, which is getting ready, they're already up. So let's say they've put in 100,000, and then they've put in another 20 every 6 months. So in 2 years they put on at least like maybe 300,000, right? Or 400,000 in like 2-3 years. But then at that point, the 400,000 is already 800,000 or $1 million. Because that property that they bought, which was $1 million, and they started buying it, now all of a sudden it's 1.5, 1.6, 1.8. So they're quadrupling their money. And then at that point, their ROIs are insane. They're 15 to 20% ROIs. They're just at that point, they're just making money. They're just printing money at that point, guys. I want you guys to do it, guys, because this is something that can be done. People in the US are missing out. It's a big opportunity. I know you guys are maybe thinking how. It's not that hard. I mean, if you know, because I've been doing it for a while, I know how it works. I know where to invest. I know how to be safe. And then it's very important to grow your money safely, right? So don't fall into scams. Don't talk to people who are telling you, hey, we can 10x your money overnight. It's not going to happen, but it can happen in a systematic way if you're investing in the right way. Guys, this was an unplanned video, right? I was just about to go out with family. I had some plans, but then I thought, real quick, I'll talk to you. So I just grabbed this thing, and I just thought, hey, I'm just gonna make a quick video before I leave. Guys, I appreciate you all, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you made it this far. Make sure you support the channel. I really am working very hard to get on this channel every day for you all, bringing what I've learned throughout my journey, right? I started at a young age. I started with almost nothing. I started with my rent money. And guys, I want you all to just enjoy life, have a good perspective of life, on life. You know, health is wealth. You got to preserve your health. You got to preserve your wealth. You don't want to invest somewhere where you cannot sleep at night. So yeah, guys, you made it this far. Book a consult, click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time, guys. Have a good day.